In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to reset Salesforce MFA. Whether you're encountering issues with your multi-factor authentication or simply need to reset it, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. We'll begin by accessing your Salesforce account and navigating through the necessary settings to get you back up and running in no time. To kick things off, first, make sure you're logged into your Salesforce account. Once you're in, located in the top right corner of your Salesforce dashboard, you'll find your profile icon. This icon serves as the gateway to all your personal settings and configurations. Go ahead and click on it to unveil a drop-down menu filled with various options. From this menu, you'll need to click on the Settings tab. This step is crucial as it takes you into the heart of your account's preferences where you can make important adjustments. Now that you're in the Settings section, your next move is to navigate to the Advanced User Details page. This area is where all the fine-tuning of your user profile takes place. It's a good practice to familiarize yourself with this section if you're new to Salesforce, as you might find other valuable settings here that you'll want to explore later. This part of Salesforce is highly customizable and offers a wealth of options to tailor your experience according to your needs. We're now at the most crucial part of our task. On this Advanced User Details page, find and check the status of your one-time password authenticator. If it's already connected, you'll notice that it says Connected right next to its label. Don't worry if this is the case. In order to reset it, you'll simply need to click on the Disconnect button. This step will effectively remove the existing MFA setup. But don't fret. You can always reconnect it or make other adjustments at any time if you have concerns. Alternatively, if your one-time password authenticator is not connected, you will see an option to connect it instead. In either scenario, our primary focus at this moment is on disconnection, as this clears the existing setup. Once you click Disconnect, the system might ask for a confirmation or some additional verification depending on your account's security settings. This is just a layer of security meant to ensure the safety of your account. And there you have it. You've successfully reset the multi-factor authentication for your Salesforce account. Remember, keeping your MFA active is incredibly important to ensure the security of your account. You can revisit this process anytime you need to alter or update your authentication settings. Thanks for watching, and for more guides like this, don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. If you have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Enjoy using Salesforce with enhanced security.